What is going on, y'all? I just got back from the gym. I went to Ozark Iron today and I trained posterior chain. We did a lot of things today. Will wasn't able to work out with us, so I put the other crew through a workout. We started out with reverse hyper. We did 5 sets of those, and then we moved to hack squat, but we did a forward facing RDL style on the hack squat sled, so that was pretty good. We did, I think, 6 sets of those. Went pretty heavy on that one. Then we did some sled pushes with a high grip attachment and then a low grip, which was pretty brutal. And then we did some dumbbell RDLs, went pretty heavy on that one, to 100-pound dumbbells on that. And then we finished off with sissy squats and GHRs, glute ham raises. So pretty good workout. I had a brick on the way back from the gym, so I'm at 1,000 calories today, plus what was in the heavy cream in my coffee. I'm going to have I'm going to have probably another quarter of the spicy cheeseburger casserole for lunch, and that is that. We've got my cousin coming for dinner tonight, so I'm gonna take out some steaks. Probably gonna have some big old juicy ribeyes from our cow for dinner. So that is my plan, and I'm sticking to it. I'll see y'all at the warehouse. Only people that are in trouble go in Kevin's office. Yeah. Bryson's always in Kevin's office. Who else is in Kevin's office? Oh, Rigel, you in trouble? You making Kevin clean your diapers?
I'm not scared.
You're not scared?
What's going on? What day is this? Vlog day number something.
I don't know.
7.
No.
4.
No, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
What, really? Okay. Vlog day number 11. Okay, so Robert wanted me to get on here and talk to you guys a little bit about my workouts. So, yesterday, well, what is today? What's today's date? 16th. In 2 days, Rigel will be 1 month old, which means I'm 1 month postpartum, which means we're in the 4th week. I have been working out for the last week, but it's been really spread out. Like, one day Rigel will be a crazy person and I won't really get the opportunity to work out. And I'm really not trying to get to a strict routine right now, because I am only so far after having Rigel, after having a surgery. So I'm really just kind of easing into it. Eventually I'll get into a schedule where I'll probably work out like Monday through Friday, and it'll be a lot more strategic. So I've just been kind of like going with the flow here with how he's responding and reacting and all of that kind of stuff. But right now he's sleeping. He's been sleeping for a little while now, so I'm kind of pushing the limits with if I'm going to get a full workout in or not. So I've been just using body weight bands and body weight exercises and bands. And today I'm actually going to go ahead and incorporate some cables. I'm really excited about it. I've done some shoulder exercises, I've done some chest, and I've done legs, and today I'm going to do back, but I'm also going to use the cables because I prefer to use cables for back. I'd prefer to use all the free weights and everything too, but we're going to just kind of like ease into it. So from now going forward, I will be using the bands and the cables for all exercises. So I'm going to go knock that out. My workouts have been anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes, kind of just depending on what I do that day. And yeah, so I have also been sharing my workouts on my Instagram, so if you guys want to check that out, it's the.lady.savage on Instagram, and I'll catch you guys later.
All right, guys, just taking a break from screen printing these KetoCon shirts, and figure I step into the office, saw the camera, bugging Robert for lunch, but he's over here doing some computer work. Robert, where you at? You ready for some lunch today?
I'm ready, man.
What are you eating today?
Today I'm eating another quarter of the cheeseburger spicy casserole.
Cheeseburger spicy. Okay.
That's what I'm gonna eat. I get big and strong like Josiah over there.
Yeah, man. Josiah's coming for lunch too. There. Yeah, he's taller, so I gotta put the camera up. But all right, I guess we're gonna go get some lunch, and you'll see Robert's lunch here shortly.
Look at that tricep.
All right, guys. Peace.
Because we waited too long.
What do we have here, little buddy? What do your socks say? Beep, beep.
Beep. And we have a little car on them.
And what does your shirt say?
Coming with Daddy.
Oh, yeah. What's your blanket say?
I love Daddy. I love Mommy.
I love you, baby.
I do too.
Alright, I'm gonna go print some shirts before MMA. Raj, you gonna do MMA with us? He's
He
been
was
kicking.
already practicing in my womb.
Yeah, kicking away, kicking away. Alright, let's make some shirts.
What we got going on?
Oh, you know, making some shirts. Making some shirts. We got KetoCon Austin 2022 shirts. And putting the, these are the VIP shirts. So we got silver ink on a black shirt. And it's looking marvelous, as you can see. And we kind of showed y'all this a little bit yesterday, but y'all saw the back of the shirt. Now this is what the front of the shirt looks like. So, all good in the compound over here. What do you think about it, Bryson?
It's exciting. It's absolutely exciting. Very surreal, fun, and I get to bother you all day. So.
There you go. What's new?
Right?
Raj is gonna be printing shirts for too long here. He's just gonna get a little bit bigger.
This is some mom talent right here.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Robert just learned what the word thirst trap is. Well, I did too. That's not really fair to say. He just decided to go ahead and run with it.
Well, you know, you gotta get your, it's hot over here, you got your heater, and then when you push the screen, you get some striations popping in your chest. So watch this, watch the chest. Again, in case you missed it, you know, it's, and that's how you print a shirt, y'all.
Uh-huh.
All right, y'all, the work day is done for the crew. We got the shirts printed, we got the bricks made, all that good stuff. How do you like these drinks, babe?
He just asked me that as I had a really weird look on my face.
You like them or no?
They're okay.
I love them.
I like a little more carbonation than that.
I like minimal carbonation.
Yeah.
They're
They're
called
pretty good. They just, I would rather have more carbonation.
Good idea. Crystal's gonna get some clips of us doing MMA, but giving y'all a tour. Boom, boom, boom. We're getting wrapped up right now. Chip's getting his shin guards on. Bryson's gonna run the MMA, so I hear.
Hopefully it goes well. We'll see.
Let me demonstrate a proper round kick. So you see my shin right there. You see Bryson's torso.
All right, guys. So I am still at the warehouse, and I am gonna film a little bit of the guys doing MMA. They've been in there for probably about 30 minutes now. I've been feeding this little guy, and now we're gonna go try to get a couple clips of them. So hang in there.
All right, y'all, MMA is done. Chip killed it. Bryson, he kind of killed it.
I beat Robert up. So
Whatever.
just know that
Josiah-
tomorrow he's gonna have a black eye. So.
Josiah killed it. Kev Boat killed it. We all killed it. All right, check it out. Those are the steaks that we're gonna have for dinner. My cousin's coming in, so we're gonna have, Crystal's gonna have some steak, I'm gonna have some steak, and he's gonna have some steak. Then we're gonna wrap these bad boys up in tinfoil with a big old dollop of butter. And that's gonna be on the grill as well. It's gonna be good. What is going on, y'all? We are wrapping up the day with a shake. Check out this cool cup. Keto Savage. Shout out to my good friend Brandon for getting me this cup. I'm digging it. All right. So, our macros for the day are, first of all, let me just tell you what I had throughout the day. I had my heavy cream in my coffee this morning, keto brick, cheeseburger casserole for lunch. Had those exogenous ketone drinks, and then for dinner, I had that steak, that big old steak, with a ton of butter on there, probably like 3 tablespoons of butter, plus cabbage that we then cooked in butter. So probably had a total of about 5 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm having this shake, which is 1 scoop of Mark Bell's steak shake, and about 4 tablespoons of heavy cream, plus a little almond milk, which puts my total calories for the day at 4,162, 343 grams of fat, 24 grams of total carbs, and 203 grams of total protein, for a total fat ratio of 77.2% of my total calories coming from dietary fat, and 20.3% coming from protein, 2.5% coming from carbs. So, good stuff. About to chow down on this shake. This today wasn't near as hard to get the calories in as these past couple of days has been, so that's good. I'm gonna chat on this, and I will see y'all on the flip side. Ta-ta for now. Love you bunches.